Okay, problem number 7 on the decimals review says, show which decimal is larger by using less than, greater than, or equal to. And we have 24 and 4/10, as well as 25 and 4/10, as well as 25 and 40 hundredths. So I like to compare my decimals by writing them one on top of the other and lining up my decimal place points. So you can see my decimal points are lined up right here. And that will help me to line up put the place values in the correct, line up the place values. So I'm going to write 25, and you can see my 1s are in the same place, my 10s are in the same place, and my decimal place values will be as well. So I have 25 and 4/10. Now, remember, I can always, when I have a decimal, I can always add a 0 or annex a 0 to the end of that decimal. It doesn't change the value at all. So I can always just add a 0 to the end of my decimal. That way I have a 100th place in both of my decimals. It's been a long day. Okay, so I am going to start by looking at the place value on the biggest place value, which in this case is my 10s. And in this case, my 10s are both 2s. They're the same, so that's not going to tell me anything. I'll move over to my 1s, and they are the same, both 5s, so that's not going to tell me anything. I'll move over to my 10ths. My 10ths, I have both 4s. Those aren't different, so I can't find out which one is bigger from that. And then I'll move over to my 100ths, and they're both 0s, so they're not different. So what this tells me is these numbers have exactly the same value. 25 and 4/10 has the same value as 25 and 40 hundredths. These are the same. They equal the same value. 25 and 4/10 is the same thing as 25 and 40 hundredths. So they're equal. I wrote the equal sign, and I'm done with that problem.